Welcome to my YouTube channel Engineer This. Today we will learn how to write equation for periodic impulse train. First of all, what is an impulse signal? Impulse signal is a signal which has value at 0 and we can represent it by del of t. It will not have values at any other places. You can see it is 0 over here and also over here. Impulse train is just a group of many impulse signals. Our impulse train will look like this. It will continue, and here also it will continue. 0. If I write Ts over here, Ts is the time period of the signal. So it will be 2Ts over here. Similarly, minus Ts and here it is minus 2Ts. You can still write more, but this much is sufficient. So this is our impulse train. So if I want to write the equation, I am denoting the impulse signal by del of t. So our equation can be del of t. And what we are doing over here, to get an impulse train, I can shift this impulse signal to the right. So I'll get Ts. So by how much I am shifting? Ts. And the same thing I can do to get 2Ts by writing 2 over here. So we can see that by changing the number over here, we can get the whole impulse train. So I'll write the index n here. And then if I do the summation of all those uh, signals, then I'll get the impulse train. So for summation, we will write sigma, and n is equal to minus infinity. If you write del of t minus 1 over here, then del of t minus ts, and by writing 2 you are getting this. So whole impulse train can be obtained on this side, as well as if I write minus 1 over here, it will be del of t plus ts. That means here. So we can get the whole impulse train. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also share this video and like this video.